Hello everyone, my name is Elisa Garcia and today I will present personal change, what I am doing differently. This is a presentation for the class PRM 689 Project Management Capstone with Dr. Karen Rayford. Learning experience. In previous classes I have learned the difference between tools and techniques, what are the project management processes, and the importance of communication. As for the first one, a tool generally takes an input and produces certain outputs. It's a resource that is used to complete a task. In the previous classes, we use the WS or the Gantt chart, where areas, the techniques are methods that are used in order to effectively complete a task. An example of that will be the waterfall or agile technique, as well as the critical path that we use and manage in the tool in the application called Microsoft Project. As for project management processes, we know that they have different phases such as initiating, planning, executing, monitoring, and controlling, and finally the closing. Communication is essential in project management. It is important that project management are cognizant of their work and they're responsible for communicating to team members, project board, different stakeholders within the business, and other third parties related to the project. Inadequate communication is a frequent problem area for projects and it needs considerable attention to communicate well. Teamwork experience. Teamwork measure increasing productivity, accountability, and commitment. It allows better teamwork and communication. It's less negative organizational stress and improve the morale. So far so good. I can say that I have had good experiences and I have learned a lot from my classmates, not only from the feedback they have provided to me, but also in the previous classes what I remember that I had spent like 3 or more hours in the phone with some classmates. That was a relevant and really meaningful experience for me that allowed me to learn from my classmates. PM awareness. All the concepts that I have learned so far in the classes that I have taken and this master degree allows me to be more cognizant of the project management skills, key project management trends, such as the cognitive flexibility and be analytical savvy and managing resource efficiency. I learned a lot about the role of and the responsibility of a PM in a project and also impact beyond project management. Even if my career path eventually takes a different direction, the skills that I have learned in this uh, master degree will help me in whatever role I take in a near future. This characteristic of an effective project management, such as organization, discipline, time management, and communication, are well suited for any jobs in today's changing world. Put in perspective, how did I feel about change? I feel like we must have the ability to adapt fast to different situations. It is essential to have a go with the flow attitude, not being stuck in a process, believing that it will be the best. It's important to adapt to different situations, as the first bullet point says. Uh, Strategical thinking is key in order to be aware of all the needs of project. Again, project management skills are essential and advanced communication. Skills acquired: interpersonal skills, critical thinking, teamwork, participation, and prioritization. Changes for the upcoming year. For me, it's important to obtain a college, university level experience as a teacher. I would like to get an EL or Scrum certification, possibly a PhD in curriculum or educational strategy. And finally, my goal is to become an instructional design project management. In that manner, I can combine my experience education with my project management skills and education acquired with this master. Conclusion. As you have seen in this presentation, communication is an essential skill. I will look for job opportunities to advance in my career. I believe that, and I'm sure positive that networking is important in order to, have better opportunities, and also is fundamental to embrace new outcomes. That's all my presentation. Thank you so much for watching.